Today I want to demonstrate how to use the snipping tool to take a picture of something that you've created. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to find our snipping tool on our computer. If you're on a school desktop, then click on your Start button and in the search bar type snip and it will take you to the snipping tool. So we're going to open up the snipping tool. The next thing you want to do is find your picture. And I'm going to use an infographic as an example. So I have an infographic that I've pulled up right here. And I've created this infographic in some type of infographic maker. So with my snipping tool, I'm going to click on New. And then I'm going to drag right over top of my infographic. Come up here to File, Save As. Give my infographic a name. And save. Now in your pictures or your H drive or wherever you're saving it to, you have a picture of that infographic that you created in your infographic maker and you are ready to upload it into your It's Learning course.